All right, guys, let's do this 44 to 50 on their semester review. Make sure you're good for tomorrow or Friday or whenever it is you're taking this, ready to go. So here we go, 44. It says find g of h of -7. The first thing you do is you find h of -7. You work from the inside out. So I'm going to plug -7 into function h, which is going to look like -7 squared minus 5 times -7. That's going to be 49 plus 35, which is 84. Then I'm going to take that 84 and plug it into function g and working my way back out. So I got g of 84. I got 2 times 84 plus 2. 2 times 84 is 168 plus 2, which is 170. That's your final answer. So it is B. 45. It says find f of g of t. Again, f of g of t, I'm going to take the second one, the function g, and plug it into function f. So I'm taking that, this function is -3t squared plus 1. I'm plugging it right in there for that t. So I'm going -2 times -3t squared plus 1 plus 4. I'm going to distribute that -2 and make it positive 6t squared minus 2 plus 4. I'm going to add the -2 and the 4 and get positive 2. And there's that one. That's the answer D. 46. Same kind of deal. It says find f of g of n. Again, I'm going to take function g and plug it into function f right there. So it's going to look like this, -4n minus 3 plus 5. That negative sign is going to change the signs, make it -4n plus 3 plus 5. Add your 3 and 5 and you get 8. It is B. 47. I'm going to know your exponent rules here. When you raise a power to a power, you multiply. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, I'm not sure what happened right there. I'm going to go x to the 16 times 3/4. And if you do 16 times 3/4, you get 12. So it's just x to the 12th. That's quick. 48. Solve the equation. I'm going to isolate the n. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by -5. So I'm coming over here. If I divide both sides by -5, first of all, if I do -5/9 divided by -5, that's really keep change flip. So I'm going -5/9 times -1/5. 5's cancel. That gives me 1/9, and it's positive because I divided a negative by negative. Now, to get rid of that exponent, I got to raise each side to the reciprocal power. Well, the reciprocal of -1/2 is -2. Over here, it just cancels, gives me n. Now, the -2 exponent means you got to do two things. You got to flip and square, or square and flip. Doesn't matter which order you do them, as long as you're doing both. Because it's already a fraction, I'm going to flip it first and then square it. And 9 squared is 81. Answer C. 49. Got to simplify this thing. You cannot add or subtract radicals unless you have the same number inside. So I'm going to take that 24 and break it down with a 4 and a 6. I'm going to take the 27 and break it down with a 9 and a 3. I'm going to take the 12 and break that down with a 4 and a 3. All right, the square root of 4 is 2. Multiply that times the number in the front. 2 times 2 is 4 on 6. Second term, the square root of 9 is 3. Multiply by the 3 that's already there. It gives me 9 on 3. Last term, square root of 4 is 2. Multiply by the 2 that's already there. That's 4 on 3. And all I can add are the 9, these two right here, because they both have the same radical. 9 minus 4 is 5 on 3. There it is, 4 on 6 plus 5 on 3. That's answer B. Got it. One more, number 50. Let's be on the next page. Yep, last one. Good idea to read these directions, just in case tomorrow something happens. It says, remember to check for extraneous solutions. The times you have to do that, remember, is when you have a fraction or when you have a radical. That's when you have to check, so make sure you do that. So on this one, I have square root of 2b equals b. You need to get rid of the radical, so square both sides. That side, the radical goes away over here if I got b squared. Anytime I try to solve a quadratic, which this is, I move everything over and try to factor first or do quadratic formula, whatever. This time I can factor. I can factor out a GCF, which is b. When I take that out, I get b is 0 and b is 2. Now, before I get all happy and plug those, and circle a up there, I need to plug them in. So if I plug 0 in up here, that gives me 2 times 0 equals 0. That's true. So 0 definitely works. Plug in the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. That works too. So it's answer A. All right, hope that helped. Good luck next couple of days. Hope you do great. I know you can. I think you're all going to do a great job. And hope you enjoyed the review game a little bit. That was kind of fun. But anyway, I'll see y'all. Please let me know if you need any more help. I'll be at school. Plus, you can text me or whatever on remind. So, good luck.